Hello friends, how are you all? Today we will take the measurement for the cheif coat. First step, take the length. (29 inches). After next step, shoulder. From here 18 inches. Okay, and then next step, take the chest 42 inches, and next step waist 40 inches, and then next step hip 45 inches. Okay, and then next step sleeves 20 inches. So friends, now we will cutting. Watch the video in full everything. Told in this video I will measure the length first. Okay, from shoulder length 29 inches. Put the length 29 inches and half. Okay, and then put the margin 1.5 inches. Okay, and then next step armhole 10 inches down, and then next step waist 17 inches down, and then next step 23 inches down. Okay, now mark is complete. Front side put the half inches. Okay, now mark from here 2.25. Okay, after become like this front side. This is the cheif coat. Okay, now mark complete. Shoulder 18 inches, half inch for the margin. Chest 32 inches, round 10.25, 2.5 inches for losing, 1 inch inside marka. Waist 40 inches, round 10 inches, 2.5 inch more losing, and then next hip 45 inches. Take hip with losing 14 inches, same like this, down 14 inches. Okay, after mark completed, shoulder down 2 inches. Okay, and then neck width 4 inches, length same like this 4 inches. After marker complete, after neck round like this. Okay, see, after round the armhole like this. Okay, and then size marker complete. See, and then 1 inch here after round. See, marker is complete. Now is cutting. See friends, front is finish for the cheif coat, and then now we will cutting back side. See friends, this is the marker we had made of 2.5 inches. Keep it outside. Okay, like this. Now we will rest its shoulder from the top 2.5 inches, and from the armhole 2 inches. Okay, and then marker complete. And then back neck 1.5 inches. Okay, and then back armhole like this. See friends, now we will cut back side. See friends, front and back finish. After we will cut neck. Okay, see friends, put the like this. See friends, now we will cut sleeves. Okay, this is the fabric. Fold the like this. From top side, sleeves 20 inches. Put the marker 20 and a half. Okay, one and a half margin for the margin. Okay, and then top side down 3 and a half. After marker complete, and then 10 inches here, 3 and a half after round. Okay, marker complete. Sleeves bottom 12 inches and then 12 inches half, 6 inches. Put the marker 6 inches. Okay, after marker complete, like this, and then after cut, one cut here, one cut for the margin, and then remove. Cut the front side armhole. See friends, all is cutting for the cheif coat. Okay friends, if you have not understand anything, then you can ask by comment. If you like the video, then subscribe to the channel. And then next video I will explain how to stitch. Bye bye, take care.